Susan Shelby Magoffin was the young wife of a trader from the United States who traveled on the Santa Fe Trail in the late 1840s. She recorded her experiences in a diary, Down the Santa Fe Trail and into Mexico, the Diary of Susan Shelby Magoffin, 1846-1847, 1926, which has been used extensively as a source for that period in history. Read this excerpt and answer the questions that follow. Passed a great many buffalo, some thousands. They crossed our road frequently within 200 or 300 yards. They are very ugly, ill-shapen things, with their long shaggy hair over their heads and the great hump on their backs, and they look so droll running. Using context clues, what is the best definition of droll? A. Beautiful and thin. B. Fast and graceful. C. Amusing in an odd way. D. Elegant.